All right, so I have created a system for creating a cutaway of an American lock 1100. This project includes a 3D printed lock body to replace the aluminum lock body and a jig for cutting the core. So, first step is we need to disassemble our core, or our lock. So, take the core of the lock out. And now we need to gut this. So this is already cut. But I'll walk through the process anyway. So got this lock so that we have just the housing to cut into. You don't have to actually remove the key pins from the core of the plug. A little bit easier to reach. Now, what you'll do is take the core, the uncut core, and put it into the jig. This will slide a lot easier on a core that's not cut. And then you clamp this into a vise and use a couple of hacksaw blades. You can tape them together to help protect your hands as well as hold the blades together. You slot it and cut. Use that jig for the spacing. When you're done, it's going to be a little difficult to remove, but you might destroy the jig in the process. Okay, so now you have your cut core, core housing, and you just reassemble your lock. You'll probably need to clean this up and remove any swarf or debris. So we'll go ahead and reassemble this. All right. Now that your core is reassembled, we want to put that into the 3D printed lock body that has the window. So we're going to disassemble our original lock body and assemble it, the parts, onto the 3D printed lock body. This is going to be a little hard to see, but you have to put both bearings in and push one bearing into the front, or one side, and then the other side, the other bearing. You have to kind of keep it upright so that those bearings don't move while you drop the actuator in. Push that into place. And then you're going to need the lock open in order to put everything back together. So I'm going to just use the key to open the lock. Put the plate in, nut, and the bolt. There it is. So now have a cutaway. You can see the lock operation.